Hi, beautiful people. I hope we are all doing fine. We are all doing great. Sorry, I went missing for some time. For some reasons, I couldn't upload a video, but I'm now back. So, as you can see today, to my new subscribers, welcome. Here we upload village content. In the village we vibe, and as you can see here, I have my jerrycan. I'm going to the river. I'm going to fetch some drinking water. Of course, in the village we get our drinking water from the river. Not that we do not have the mineral water or anything, but I think the river water has some natural sweet taste that has not been infested by any chemicals or anything. So as you can see around me, you can see it's just the village environment. I'm passing through some forest here to the river, and I'm going to show you the kind of place that we fetch water. It is an underground part that we've been fetching water from long time ago. Yes, and that's where I'm going to get my drinking water from. So come with me as we enjoy the village adventure. People are farming, we have trees all over, and we pass between trees. The only disadvantage here is that, can you manage to pass here at night? Yeah? Are you confident enough to pass between trees at night? But now we do not have a choice because this is where we live and we are used to this environment. Here you can see we have trees all over, so I'm surrounded by trees. So come with me as we go to the river. Stay tuned. This is my path to the river. You can see I'm only walking in between. Look at my path. This is I think because of soil erosion, and at this point if you miss a step you are finished. You can see trees. Basically it's just nature, and yeah, we are all about nature here. People's crops are here, my neighbors here, and yeah, look at how it is. Like, if you dare miss a step, you are finished. So I want you to look at my path, how scary it can be. Actually, you cannot pass at this point when you are drunk, maybe something like that, or when you are not careful. Like, soil erosion has taken place in most parts of my path, but yeah, but we still managed to pass through it. You can see we are at the main road, and yeah, we are about to cross to the deadliest river there is. Don't be scared, but then I have to drink water. Look at where I have to climb. Look at my path. So here, if you're not careful enough, you are finished. Now this is where the mystery starts. Yeah, the river is far beyond there, and I need to cross here so that I get to access my path to the river. So yeah, so you can see it's not even an interesting place to just play about. So we are yet to get to the river, but yeah, you can see the raised ground is actually the real level. This is the ground level. So we are already going under. Yeah, and yeah, this is the village, And this is how things are done. Oh my God! Look at what happened here. I think it's because of some excess rains, and I don't know. Oh my goodness, I have phobia. Phobia. You can show them how it looks. So this is where I'm going. We are going now underground, the under part of this part. And the fact is that if you are afraid, you can see cracks. I think it's because of too much rains that we are experiencing all this. But come, we are yet to see more. So I think we are safe because this is where we are going to fetch our water from. And initially there were not these stairs, so it was just a steep ground that you would use your steps to make your way through. Down deep, go fetch water, then carry it on your head and come back. But I think it has been improvised, and yeah, so come fetch water with you. This is where we get our drinking water from. And I'll tell you that this place has serviced some schools here, and as you can see, water is flowing. We'd go inside here, we'd climb inside here, fetch water in your jerrycan or bucket, then carry it out of here, and yeah, you are good to go. But you can see, because a river has no one to take care of it, that's how it is as at now. And now here is the sweet part of it. Oh my God! If you miss a step, you are finished. So I think that's the motto here. If you miss a step, you are finished. You can see, like, we are going underground. And we are at the river. We are at the river, and this is where we fetch our drinking water from. This is nature. You can feel the way water is falling. I think from underground. The water is this is underground at the gate, yeah. From this. And this water is naturally sweet. You don't have to put anything in it. The water is naturally sweet. And yeah, I think this is water from stone, or I don't know. Is it from stones? I don't know. Tell me if these are stones or anything. But one thing you must know is that we are underground. Yeah, you can see where the plants are. Up, 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 up. And where I am right now, I'm at the underground level. I am deep in the ground, and that's how the entire part of the river looks like. So I want to show you how we fetch water, because we do not have a common tap that makes the water flow, so we have to improvise. Yeah, we get the leaves, put them here so that we can create a path for the water to follow, and then place my jerrycan at that point, and that's how we get to fetch water from here. Actually, it's something good. The water is so clean. Yeah, you can see. The water flowing is so clean. Some people use this water for cooking, because this is where we fetch water from. This is the natural source that's available. Some of us use this water for cooking, or house chores, any other use that you wish to cook, to wash your clothes. You can fetch water and shower. Yeah, it is in an area that is kind of bushy, but I guarantee you, you cannot come here at night. So allow me to rinse my jerry can. Yeah. So let it fill, then we go. This is where we get water from. This is our natural source of water. And yeah, you can see. What do you think about Mother Nature? How does it feel when you see water flow from stones? I don't know if these are stones, but I think this is the water table. This is the water table. I'd say the water table of this place is as smooth as it is, because we have water flowing from beneath. Yeah, nature is beautiful, and oh, it's cold. That's how actually we make our tap, so that you can get water flowing so well. And you can come and fetch water. You go wash clothes. You can fetch water for animal use, for domestic use, anything you wish to. So my water is full, and the process is now us flowing back each step until we get out of here. So the motor still remains. You miss a step. Is this a new to this? And this is pure exercise. It's not easy. Village life is not easy. So I have to take a rest for a few minutes before I proceed home. Meanwhile, I'll see you in my next video.